In today's video, we're going to explore how NoteGPT can completely transform the way you consume YouTube videos. If you've ever struggled to finish long videos or wished you could get the main points in just a few seconds, this tool is going to save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and search for NoteGPT on Google. That's notegpt.io. Once you're on the website, you can sign in directly using your Google account or use your email. After logging in, you'll land on the NoteGPT dashboard or homepage, where you can explore different AI tools. And this is the homepage. Now, let's focus on the AI YouTube Summarizer feature. Click on AI YouTube, and you'll see a text box where you can paste a YouTube video link. Let's try this out. I'm going to go grab a YouTube video link, copy it, and paste it here on the given space. Then simply click Transcribe and Summarize. NoteGPT will begin extracting the video's content. This might take a few seconds. Here it is done. You'll see the transcript of the entire video displayed on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you'll get a structured summary with timestamps and chapter breakdowns for each section. This is super helpful if you just want to skim through the main ideas without watching the whole video. Next, you have the AI chat option, one of my favorite features. This allows you to interact with the summarized content using AI models. For example, I asked it to summarize the top 5 FAQs from the video, and it generated all the answers instantly. You can even ask follow-up questions. Let's say I ask, what is brainstorming? And as you can see, NoteGPT gives a clear, well-structured explanation right within the chat. Now, if you switch back to the AI Notes section, you'll find the same summarized notes saved there. You can also organize them by chapters, copy them with or without timestamps, and even download the transcript for offline use. Additionally, there's a mind map option that visually represents the entire content flow, perfect for quickly understanding how ideas are connected in a long video. Another amazing feature, you can turn your notes into a podcast. Simply choose a voice from the voice library, select the duration and style, and generate an audio version of your summary. This is great for people who prefer listening instead of reading. There's also an option to create a presentation based on your summarized notes. I'll cover that feature in detail in another video. From here, you can also generate flashcards for quick revisions or copy your notes directly. If you head to the My Notes section, all your generated summaries are stored safely so you can revisit them anytime or delete the ones you no longer need. There's even a subscriptions tab. Here you can subscribe to YouTube channels and automatically receive summaries of their latest uploads. However, this particular feature is available only in the premium paid version of NoteGPT, and that's a quick walkthrough of how NoteGPT can help you summarize, understand, and repurpose YouTube videos faster than ever. And this is the one. The channel they've subscribed for us as an example. So if you go into this, you can easily explore everything. Their latest uploads, playlists, podcasts, and more. It's a really clean layout, and you get all the key YouTube insights in one place. Perfect for keeping up with your favorite creators or topics.